Ever wondered what it's like to see the world from a bird's eye view? Well, for some birds, that view is incredibly sharp, far beyond what we can even imagine. Let's dive into the world of avian superstars with the most powerful vision ever recorded. First up, the undisputed champion, the eagle. Birds of prey, especially eagles, have vision that is estimated to be 4 to 8 times stronger than that of the average human. Take the martial eagle, for example. It can spot prey as small as a rabbit from over 3 miles away. How do they do it? Their eyes are packed with photoreceptor cells called cones, which are responsible for color vision and detail. They have a much higher density of these cones than we do, giving them this incredible high-definition sight. Plus, they have 2 fovea, or centers of focus, in each eye. This allows them to focus on 2 different points simultaneously, one for straight ahead and one for peripheral vision. It's like having built-in binoculars. But eagles aren't the only ones with supervision. Let's talk about owls.